Hitting another alphabet challenge. Today we're using S Foods. Huge pull here with soba. I had to grab shrimp balls. Outstanding pull with the goated Spam flavor. Dried squid.
Excellent!
Seaweed. Here I'm attempting to free the Spam from its prison. Then frying it.
Cool!
Throwing the soba on the pot. Mixing it up. We thought the dishwasher broke because these smelled so bad. Here's me smelling it. Then Maddie.
Yeah, they smell so bad. I'm being a little dramatic.
Dry squid review. I like it. Plate reveal.
This looks
Super
like the
mid plate.
most mid-
This is the most mid plate.
It was gross to me. Okay, it was actually kind of good.
Yeah, I know. S plate review. 6 out of 10. Shrimp balls. They put it down.
I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. The Spam was really good.
Cool!